not your regular SI, homie. I've never raced a GT, but I'm not your regular SI, my guy. I am not your regular SI, my guy. These V8 boys, man. These V8 boys. Hey, man, all my SI people, bruh. All my four-banger people, bruh. I'm gonna put on for y'all, dude. I'm gonna be whipping on foreigns. I mean, I'm gonna be whooping muscle car. You know what I'm saying? Just watch. That's what I'm saying. Subscribe, share my videos. Like I'm about to be hurting feelings out here. I already know, and I already know how I am. I'm very competitive, but it's all fun at the end of the day. You know, like I don't show disrespect to people I race unless a motherfucker want to act all funky. You know, we'll give it right back to them and triple them out. But I respect everybody's build. You know what I'm saying? I got love for every type of car. Another thing about me, I don't only just love cars. Like, I've grown a big passion for trucks, semi-trucks, big rigs. And like, if anybody out there is a truck driver and has an SI, hit the comments, DM me on Instagram. Like, I want to learn more about it because you know, I really like, I've always loved big equipment, buses, planes, big rigs, etc., etc. And like lately I've just been appreciating it even more, and like I want a truck one day, you know. So I want a Peterbilt 379, 389, Freightliner, Classic XL. I know these are older ones. I'll take a, what is it, a 579 Peterbilt, the newer ones. E5 here was cheaper too. Bye.